Hey, what's up, everybody? Andre Reese.biz. All right, guys, this is a pivotal moment. I've always wanted to do product reviews on YouTube. It's one of the things I enjoy watching videos online, and it's taken me a while to get everything together. But I'm going to do my first product review, my first unboxing. I just came back from Trader Joe's right now, and I got these new sea salt saddle potato chips. As you guys can see, potato chip crisp. They got a little green guy on it. These are brand new at the store. I don't know when they first came out, but they just came. When I was in the store, they were actually in the brand new section where they put the new products. I always love to look and see what they got. And of course, you know, these are like potato chips in a can. As you guys can imagine, there's other manufacturers out there that make potato chips in a can that are pretty popular. I've always enjoyed eating those, and so of course I was really thinking about, you know, what would these things taste like. So why not, instead of me just trying them on my own, why not go ahead and just do an unboxing of sort to see how these taste, and would do that for my friends out here in YouTube land. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what we got. So it's just a regular can, as you can imagine, made out of cardboard. It's got the lid on top. It's got a flavor seal, as you guys can see right there. Flavor seal is probably vacuum packed. Then that's the back of the can. And then of course you can kind of see what the ingredients are right there, along with the nutritional stuff. And with Trader Joe's, traditionally, you're not gonna find a lot of things that you can't pronounce. I'm not gonna read off the ingredients on here, but I'm definitely would say that my experience with Trader Joe's is you're gonna find that a lot of their stuff is always gonna be very, very wholesome. And then you ask, why do they call these saddle potato chips? Because the chips are basically shaped like a saddle. Google it and you'll be able to find out exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and give these guys a try. Let's take the lid off. And then, so we got the vacuum seal. Let's go ahead and see if you guys can hear me open it. Oh, there we go. All right, so inside the can, as you guys can imagine, you're gonna find the saddle-shaped potato chips, as you would expect. There they are right there. You can see they're saddle-shaped. Let's go ahead and give these bad boys a try and see how they taste. I'm telling you, these are delicious. When I have a tendency to eat stuff, I have a tendency to close my eyes. I think it's because I can really enjoy the food. But with these potato chips, I'm telling you guys, these are definitely delicious. I think they taste better than the other popular brands you guys are used to finding in the can. They really taste wholesome. And let me try one more here real quick. They're delicious. I can taste the sea salt. They don't taste over-processed. They don't taste like they have like a chemical imbalance of any type in the chip itself. Delicious, guys. So when you guys get a chance to, go down to Trader Joe's, try some of these saddle potato chips with the sea salt. They're delicious. And one thing, they only have just this one flavor right now. I was talking to the lady when I was checking out. Of course, they love talking about any the brand new items that show up. But she said it would be incredible if they came out with some new flavors. Hopefully they will in the future. Take care, guys. Have a great week and enjoy yourself. And if you get a chance to, go down to Trader Joe's and try some of these saddle potato chips. Take care. Be safe out there. Stay woke and don't get TikTok, guys. Take care.